Greetings from Astanali, and today I will be talking about corporate grooming and dressing for professionals. And this is a person, Sam, and he's working in the marketing department, and he has been invited to a very prestigious corporate meeting. And now Sam is in a dilemma: how to dress, how to groom himself, and also he wants to know the difference between grooming and dressing. So let us see what is grooming. Personal grooming involves cleaning and maintaining parts of your body from head to toe. And it starts before clothing. I mean, whatever you do, like brushing your teeth, maintaining your hair, shaving, and using body sprays to remove odors, taking care of your nails, and washing yourself. And it means taking care of your hair, skin, like you can be using some sort of what you say is lotions or creams, and to keep your skin nice, shining, and your facial appearances, taking care of hairs on your face and other parts of the body, and taking total care of your body. That is what is grooming. And dressing comes after that. And what I always suggest is there are different events for which appropriate dressing is also important. It has to be neat, clean, appropriate, and comfortable also. And the dressing involves the kind of shirts you will be wearing, the tie, the belt, the accessories, the shoes, including your socks. So whatever goes into the dressing, that has to be appropriate. So it can be a formal meeting, it can be a lunch meeting, it can be for a casual event, or it can be a celebratory event. So every event requires an appropriate dressing and presentation. And today, as they say, first impressions are very important, they last. So the way you dress tells also what kind of a person you are, how committed you are, how professional you are. We conduct seminars on personality development, which includes dressing and grooming. So for more information, you can visit our website. The details are www.astanali.com. Thanks for joining us.